Now I'm going to teach you how to crack a master lock. Now there are many different ways to get a master lock open, like using a shim, but none of them get you the combo. So first you start off with 0. Now you pull it tight, and you'll notice that it gets stuck between 0.5 and 1.5. Therefore the number that you want and you want to write down is 1. You let it loose a little, and the second number it gets stuck at, 4.5, well, it's stuck between 3.5 and 4.5, so the number you want to write down is 4. You let it loose again, you find the next set of numbers, which is between 7 and 8, so you want to write down 7.5. Now you do this all the way around until you come up with 12 numbers. In this case, I've already done it, and the numbers are 1, 4, 7.5, 10.5, 14, 17.5, 20.5, 24, 27.5, 30.5, 34, and 37.5. Now if you take a look at these numbers, every time you do this, there will be 5 whole numbers and 7 numbers that end in .5. The 5 whole numbers are the ones that you want. Now you'll notice that out of the 5, 4 of them will end in the same number. In this case, all 4 of them end in 4. You don't want these numbers, so in this case the number you want is 1. This is the third number in your combination. Now, you take this number, 1 in this case, and you divide it by 4. It comes out to 0, remainder 1. The remainder is the number that you want. I'll do another example. If, let's say, the third number in your combination was 19, you divide it by 4, and you would have remainder 3. Now, after you find your remainder, which could be 1, 2, or 3, you take your remainder, in this case ours was 1, and you add 4 to it. You keep on adding 4 to it until you hit the maximum number possible, which you would stop at 39, obviously. So this set of numbers here are all the possible numbers for the first number in your combination. We had already found the third number in our combination, which was 1. Now, to find the second set, you take your remainder again. If your remainder was 0, you'd take the number 2. If your remainder is 1, 3. If your remainder was 2, it'd be 0. If your remainder was 3, it'd be 1. Now, our remainder is 1, so we're going to take the number 3. Now we're going to keep on adding 4 to it again. Until you hit the maximum number possible again. These numbers are all the possible numbers for the second number in the combination. So now all you need to do is take these numbers. We would start with 1, 3, and 1. That's obviously wrong. And you keep on doing this until you find the right combination. In this case, the right combination is 37, 23, 1. As you can see, would have been 37, 23, 1. Would have taken a while to find out, but that's how you do it. There are only 100 different combinations as opposed to 64,000. 100 different combinations only takes less than 10 minutes. That's how you break a master lock.